One of the big questions is, now that we have approval in patients who failed an autologous transplant, can CAR T cells actually replace an autologous transplant? And so we're currently doing 3 large multi-center, multinational trials. And these trials are being run obviously by the 3 major companies in this space. Kite is running the ZUMA-7 trial, which basically takes patients who are first-line relapse, and then they get randomized to either proceed straight to CAR T cells or to get salvage with an autologous transplant. That large multi-center trial has actually completed accrual, and we should expect results probably in the next 18 to 24 months. The other 2 companies, Novartis and Celgene Juno, are performing similar trials. The design is slightly different. In those trials, all patients get salvage therapy and then get randomized to CAR T cells or autologous transplant. So essentially asking the same question with slightly differences in design. I think we'll have to obviously see the results of those studies and potentially see if CAR T cells can replace autologous transplant. Obviously, we will also have to do a cost-effectiveness analysis because the CAR T cells are quite expensive, and we'll have to see if the clinical results are similar where we end up in terms of usage of CAR T cells.